We're in Markham area right now, right on 407. And I was driving by this townhouse, these two townhouses every day, and I saw this, I guess, a sound barrier, sound wall that has collapsed. They're unsafe. The other townhouses won't even let their children out because you have the dangers of the wind and it possibly collapsing. This grip wall structure works without any foundation. It's just putting the wall up. It's like just as easy as putting Lego blocks together, and we can erect a wall that's going to be safe. That's going to be it's going to be done in a day, so it's going to be very quickly put up. And I think the guys are going to be it's going to be soundproof as well.
So it's essentially sitting on the ground. There's no foundation. It's freestanding, but the amount of weight is astronomical. So everything all added together, each block and each component, the threaded rods and the whole assembly, ends up being such a tremendous weight that it won't move. It's stable. It's sustainable. It'll last a long time. Wind won't knock it over.
The traditional, the old way of doing things, which means building it actually very nice. But 5 years, 10 years later, what do we do with it? We basically break it down, we crush it, we have to take it away, and we have to burn it. New technology, it's all about reusable building materials like the Legos. Anybody can make it. Anybody can use it, anybody can make the block. Not difficult. That's the story.